So bed in Spanish is cama. Bed, cama. So just think of it like this. Think of your bed as a giant comma, like an apostrophe, a comma, okay? So bed, comma, bed, comma. You curling up on that comma, all right? Have a good night's sleep, all right? All right, now sheets, okay? That's gonna come into play. May need some clean sheets or whatever. Who knows? But you need to know at least how you say it, you know? Okay? Sheets is our sábanas. Sheets, sábanas. Just think of it like this. For some reason you're sad and you're sobbing on your sheets. Sábanas. Sábanas. Okay? Hope you cheer up soon. All right, pillow. Pillow is almohada. Pillow, almohada. Okay? You happy again. You so happy you kiss your pillow. Mwah. Mwah. Almohada. Mwah. Mwah. Almohada. Sounds similar. Sounds crazy, but it sounds similar and it will stick.